Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Tesla, the trailblazer in electric vehicles, has seen remarkable growth over the past decade. However, it appears that this trajectory has hit a snag. The first quarter of this year marked a notable decline in sales compared to the same period last year, marking the first dip since 2020. Despite consistent production levels, thousands of Tesla EVs are currently accumulating across the US, signaling a shift in the winds for the automotive giant. Let's delve into the 6 significant challenges currently facing Tesla. Challenge number 6: Tesla's inventory overflow. Let's delve into one of the recent indicators of Tesla's challenges. Reports have surfaced indicating a surplus of Tesla vehicles, not only at dealership lots, but also in surrounding areas. This surplus suggests that production has outpaced demand, leaving Tesla grappling with storage dilemmas as these vehicles accumulate, awaiting buyers. Initially, attention was drawn to 400 Tesla models occupying the parking lot of a closed mall in St. Louis. However, this phenomenon extends beyond isolated incidents. Similar scenes unfold at the former Chesterfield Mall and Quaker Bridge Mall, among others. This widespread surplus underscores the magnitude of the issue, especially considering Tesla's first quarter sales decline of 8.5%, with approximately 11% of inventory remaining unsold. In contrast, the company had only a 2% surplus in the previous year. By the numbers, Tesla sold around 387,000 vehicles in the first quarter, surpassing total production of over 433,000 units. Despite the lack of precise market day supply figures, experts estimate that Tesla's current inventory would require approximately 90 days to sell, significantly higher than Toyota's 27-day market supply. These figures offer insights into the challenges ahead for Tesla in aligning production with market demand. Challenge number 5: Price erosion and profit conundrum. The EV market's slowdown unfolded gradually, prompting Tesla to initiate substantial discounts as early as the third quarter of last year. For example, the Model 3 now starts at $39,000, down from $47,000 in early 2023. Similarly, other popular models and the average price of Tesla cars have seen significant decreases, dropping by 21% over the last year to around $50,000. Recent price cuts further underscore this trend, with all models receiving a $2,000 reduction, making the Model Y available for under $45,000. Moreover, substantial discounts on the self-driving feature, now priced at $8,000, and the $7,500 federal tax credit for the Tesla Model Y add to the appeal. However, these extensive discounts have significantly narrowed profit margins, leading to doubts about Tesla's profitability. With a 55% decline in net income and a 9% drop in total revenue in the first quarter, Tesla faces numerous challenges ahead, including new tariffs on Chinese EV components announced by Biden. These developments pose tough choices for the company, including further margin reductions or price increases that could further dampen sales. Challenge number 4: Abandonment of affordable EV project. A significant development emerged in a recent Reuters report indicating Tesla's abandonment of the anticipated Model 2 project. Faced with dwindling profits, Tesla found itself at a crossroads, compelled to reassess its investment priorities. The choice boiled down to prioritizing either the production of a small, budget-friendly EV or advancing its robotaxi ambitions. Ultimately, Tesla opted to shift focus towards the latter, signaling a strategic pivot away from the Model 2 project. Despite the absence of official rebuttals from Tesla executives, indications point towards the imminent debut of the company's first driverless vehicle, the robotaxi. Speculation suggests a premiere slated for August, promising further insights into this groundbreaking venture and other future endeavors of the pioneering EV manufacturer. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Challenge number 3: Navigating the Chinese market. China stands as a cornerstone of Tesla's global strategy, representing one of its most vital markets. With a long-standing presence in the region, Tesla has enjoyed remarkable success. Despite maintaining its position as the second-largest player in the market, trailing behind BYD, signs of a gradual decline have emerged. While Tesla commands approximately 10% of the Chinese EV market, recent trends indicate a concerning drop in sales. Reports suggest a substantial decline of over 40% in the first quarter of this year, with sales hovering around 300,000 units. The underlying issues are multifaceted, extending beyond intensified competition from domestic rivals like BYD. Recent actions, such as BYD's initiation of a price war, have further compounded Tesla's challenges, impacting its profitability. Additionally, the geopolitical landscape adds another layer of complexity, with the Chinese administration poised to respond to Biden's imposition of significant tariffs on Chinese EVs and components. Anticipated retaliatory measures from China could exert further pressure on Tesla's performance in this critical market, underscoring the intricate interplay between global politics and business dynamics. Challenge number 2: workforce reductions. Amidst the whirlwind of challenges confronting Tesla globally, the imperative for cost-saving measures has become undeniable. Often, the most expedient avenue for trimming expenses involves workforce reductions, and Tesla has opted to cut 10% of its employees. With a workforce exceeding 140,000 worldwide, this decision translates to 14,000 individuals facing job losses. This downsizing initiative spans across Tesla's global operations, impacting employees across various plants and regions. In North America alone, over 6,000 layoffs are anticipated. Detailed insights gleaned from WARN notices provide a granular understanding of the workforce restructuring, revealing significant job losses concentrated in states like Texas and California. Notably, Texas is expected to witness approximately 3,300 layoffs, while California faces nearly 2,700 job cuts. The ripple effect extends to Tesla's facilities in Nevada and Buffalo, with an estimated 700 and 285 layoffs, respectively. Beyond North America, substantial job cuts are anticipated in China, with additional speculation surrounding potential layoffs in Germany. Of particular interest is the breadth of these layoffs, encompassing not only laborers but also higher management positions. This restructuring culminated in the departure of key executives, including Drew Baglino, Tesla's SVP of Powertrain and Energy, and Rohan Patel, VP of Public Policy and Business Development. Challenge number 1: stock price decline. Recent events have cast a shadow over Tesla's performance, including declining sales, price slashes, layoffs, Cybertruck setbacks, and modest profits. These challenges have taken a toll on Tesla's stock, which has experienced a continuous decline, particularly evident in April, culminating in a year-to-date decrease of 43%. Currently ranking as the second poorest performer among S&P 500 constituents, Tesla's outlook remains bleak, with forecasts predicting a 5.1% revenue dip, marking the first year-over-year decline in 4 years. These developments signal turbulent times ahead for the EV industry, suggesting a shift in the landscape beyond just legacy automakers. As we navigate these uncertainties alongside Tesla, it's evident that significant headwinds lie ahead, prompting us to remain vigilant and informed about the evolving dynamics of the automotive sector. As we navigate these turbulent waters alongside Tesla, we urge you to subscribe to Piston Pundit for the latest insights and updates on the automotive industry. Thank you for watching, and until next time.